Hi everyone, I'm Gaurineo Rampal, and in this video I'm going to discuss two wash cycles of Godrej dishwasher. One is a 30-minute wash, and through the end of the video there is a 50-minute wash cycle results shown and discussed. And I'm sure after watching this video you will be better able to decide whether you want to go for this product or not, or a dishwasher if at all or not. This is a baking dish in which cake was baked and it has come out squeaky clean, and that's my tea pan which is also clean, and I'm very satisfied with the result. I think most of it is due to the rinse aid or salt or a different kind of dishwasher detergent which we put in the machine. Sometimes even human hands don't clean so nicely as this machine does, and the best part is it's washed with hot water, and so it's very hygienic. In this video you can see here milk product was there before I had put it for wash, and now it was completely clean. This was a pressure cooker I used for cooking, and it came out this clean. I think the remains are of slight salt maybe of the dishwasher that was used, but when you touch it it's squeaky clean. One of my concern is if the salt or dishwasher remains after the cleaning on the utensils which we don't come to know of. So after several washes that fear also doesn't remain now, because the machine properly rinses the remains out and gives it a clean wash. This is where you put a dishwasher detergent, and in my experience I have seen that from one drop at least two washes I could get of 30-minute cycle. Sometimes the powder remains in the socket, and this can be reused without adding more detergent. So even though the dishwasher company says, Godrej specifically says that you should rinse out the utensils before putting them in for longer life of filter, in my experience I have only scraped off the big food particles and put the salt dishes as it is. And here in the video you can see different program cycles that this machine offers. I personally go for the 30-minute wash because I want to save electricity and water. Sometimes even human hands do not clean the utensils properly, because due to paucity of time and availability of someone to clean dishes for you is not always there. And here this machine offers you the independence to not depend on somebody as per their time or their conditions. This makes you independent. As you can see, the steam oozes out after drying, and this feature is called steam drying. This Godrej dishwasher has a steam wash technology just like LG Quad Wash, and this machine also has triple wash unlike the Quad Wash in LG. So it has at least two fans, one for the upper basket spray and the lower basket spray, and then it has those two blue direct wash water jet washes, and then it also has direct wash jets for glasses particularly, and those features are I have not tried because I never found the need to. The green thing that you see is the filter there, which can be removed and cleaned once a week. As you can see, sometimes the remains are there. Overall, out of 10 I would say 9 and 10 dishes are completely clean. Even the tall vertical jars with dairy products are clean. The corners of the knives are better clean than any human would. In fact, you through the end of the video, you will also see how the handles of the mugs, which were yellow or green with muck from the human wash, as compared to a dishwasher, are now squeaky clean. And I think this is common for any dishwasher and dishwasher detergent. One thing that you need to keep in mind before buying a dishwasher is whether it is cost effective, whether the detergent is cheaper, whether the power consumption is cheap, whether water consumption is bare minimum. This dishwasher has 45 decibel noise, and it only uses 10 to 11 liters of water. As you can see, I'm going to put these greasy jars in a 50-minute cycle now, and then we will see what the results are. Even though I'm fully satisfied with the 30-minute cycle, this is after 50 minutes, and you can see how clean the utensils are, each and every one of them, except for one, the baking dish. This time this wasn't clean as good as it was in the 30-minute wash. So it all depends on how greasy or how soiled the utensil was when you put it in. And scraping off big food particles is something you would as it is do if even a human being was to wash the utensils. All in all, I give my thumbs up to this Godrej dishwasher machine.